So we just arrived in our hotel in Nagargot, and we had an amazing taxi ride to here, because you can see a lot, and if the weather is clear you can see a lot of mountains. Not in Kathmandu, but when you about to arrive in Nagargot, it's very beautiful. It's not a road, it's more like a dirt road. So it was a very long ride. But we're very curious because the hotel looks very good, and it has a lot of good reviews. So I think we're going to show you a lot of beautiful things here at the hotel. So we booked a room at this luxurious hotel with an amazing view at the Himalayas, and we get an upgrade because we just booked the deluxe room, and now we have the junior suite. So we're gonna have a look. Yeah, well, unfortunately today it's very cloudy, and yesterday it was very cloudy, so we cannot let you see the mountains and the Himalayas back there, but you can see some hills. But when the weather is good, it's a perfect hotel just to work here and have this amazing view, or do a morning yoga. There's lots of things to do here at the hotel, and of course we're in Nagargot, so here starts the hike to different places around Kathmandu. You can do a 1-day hike or 2 or 3 days hike. So it's the perfect hotel to stay if you want to start your day in Nagargot.
Oh, hi there. Didn't see you. Welcome to Oh, hi there. I didn't see you there. Oh, hi there. We're about to leave Nepal, going to Thailand. See some